Ganesh Chaturthi Bhim! Happy Ganesh Chaturthi Raju! Do you know the word Ganesh is derived from two Sanskrit words, Ish meaning God, Gana meaning group. Therefore, Ganesh means the god of the masses. Lord Ganesha has a massive belly, one tusk, a trunk, laddus in his hand, and we can learn a lot from his appearance itself. He has large ears and a small mouth, which signify that one should speak less and listen more. His ride, the mouse, represents a person's ego and the problems of life. Ganesh, sitting on the rat, reminds us that we must win over our egos and control our negative emotions. Wow! There is a story behind Lord Ganesha having one tusk. Do you know? The greatest epic Mahabharata was written by Lord Ganesha himself. When Ved Vyas decided to compose Mahabharata, he requested Lord Ganesha to do the job but without any break. And so, Lord Ganesha broke his tusk and very dedicatedly wrote the huge epic Mahabharata at one stretch. Wow! Do you know? Once Lord Kuber, the god of wealth and the richest god, invited Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati for a lavish party because he wanted to show off his riches to them. Lord Shiva understood Lord Kuber's intention and said that he should invite Lord Ganesh for the party. When Lord Ganesh reached the city, he was served with lots of food in the party. But this was not enough for his huge belly, and so he started to eat all the vessels, the furniture of the palace, and ultimately Lord Kuber, who, frightened by the Lord, went to seek an apology and help from Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva then gave him a bowl of rice and told him to give it to Ganesh. Lord Kuber apologized to Lord Ganesh and gave him the bowl of rice, which finally satisfied his hunger. This story of the Lord tells us that we should never be proud of what we possess. There is one more very interesting story about Lord Ganesh. Once, sage Narad offered a mango to Lord Shiva, which both his children Ganesh and Kartikeya wanted. Narad suggested that the one who travels all round the world 3 times first will get this fruit. Both Ganesh and Kartikeya agreed. Lord Kartikeya immediately started for his journey on his vehicle, the peacock. Ganesh, smart enough to know that he could not win the race because of his huge belly and a small mouse, circled thrice around Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati and said that he had gone round his world because his world was his parents'. Lord Shiva was pleased with this explanation and gave the mango to Lord Ganesh. This story of Lord Ganesh teaches us 2 things. First, one should use their wisdom at the right time and the right place. And second, one should respect their parents, as there can be no one as important and dearer as they are in one's life. Ganpati Bappa Moria! Mangal